Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. First of all you have to do is open the Binance app on your phone. From here, you have to click on the Binance logo on the top left corner. From here, you have to click on your profile by clicking on this arrow. From here, you will see a security option. You have to click on security. From here, you will see an Authenticator app option. You have to click on it. From here, you have to select enable. From here, Binance will show you a key that all you have to do is copy the key from here. Once you copy the key, all you have to do is go to your home screen and open Google Authenticator. I will type Authenticator and open Google Authenticator app on my phone. My screen is black because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording. All I have to do is paste the key in the Google Authenticator app, and then all I have to do is click on add. Once I have pasted my key on Google Authenticator, then I will click on next. Now I have to paste the Authenticator app code from Google Authenticator. I will paste the code and click on next. Now as you can see, my Google Authenticator has been connected to my Binance. And that's how you can connect Binance to Google Authenticator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.